These onions look real nice and crunchy. Peanut butter looks real nice and creamy. Bread looks real nice and fluffy. I think we're in for a texture ride.
Today we are going to be trying some very interesting sandwich combinations.
I don't know what that means.
I also don't know what that means.
I'm a little nervous about this taste test because once we came to the table, I saw this bowl for spitting. So I don't know how gross this is gonna be.
Bring it on.
Oh, it's
I like bread, I like bananas, I like mayonnaise. I don't typically put all three in the same thing.
It already just smells like I don't want to eat it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ding.
Little cheers.
You just dove right in.
Oh.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm not spitting it out or anything.
No.
I can do with it. It's not something I would make at home.
Just mayo can only be on so many things, and mayo with banana is just not one of them.
Can we have water?
Oh, I got the goosebumps.
I feel like the mayo overpowers everything.
If I focused on only one of them at a time, it was okay, but something about just like the banana like surrounded by mayonnaise, that was not good.
So many things could improve this. One being there not being mayo in the sandwich.
I would toast the bread to add some crisp to it.
Nice crunchy texture to it to kind of balance out the softness of everything in the inside.
Some texture.
I think the mayo has a tanginess and then the banana has a little sweetness, and I mean, Wonder Bread is wonderful.
If I was really hungry, I would again put the bananas on the side and I would just eat the bread mayo, and then after I'll eat the banana as a dessert.
It's gonna be a no from me.
It's a no.
It's like a grilled cheese.
Yes.
I don't know why this would be weird.
But wait, what's wrong with it?
Oh.
Oh, there's something in it.
Hey, banana!
Oh no.
I'm not too opposed to it.
It's good, actually.
This isn't too weird to me. It's just a fruit inside a grilled cheese.
I can see this one being a thing. Yeah.
I like it.
I don't think they necessarily go together, but I also am not grossed out.
I think the flavors all work really well together, but to whoever made this, I have a hot tip for you. Don't grill it with the bananas in there. I think if you had a cold banana, the contrast between the hot and the cold with the flakiness of the bread would be really good.
I think this person got really bored one day and just thought a grilled cheese is too plain. He wants to spice things up. So then they put banana in it.
If somebody made this for me and offered it to me, I would be like, thank you.
Yeah, it inspires me to make it at home now, so.
I would remake it with my own recipe.
I think I actually might try this like on my own, like with my own variations. Maybe like a lighter cheese.
This is thumbs up for sure.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
I agree.
I don't know
Is
what
it
that
onions?
is. I don't know what that is.
It's onions.
I'm really scared.
Right?
Oh, onions!
Okay. These onions look real nice and crunchy. Peanut butter looks real nice and creamy. I think we're in for a texture ride.
You are so optimistic about what is clearly about to be a bad time.
Oh.
I mean, I bit into it and I was like, yeah, peanut butter sandwich, here we go. And then the onions showed up.
At first, you're like, oh, this isn't that bad. Like, it's just like, oh, a crunchy peanut butter sandwich. I love peanut butter. And then you get down into the depth flavors of the sandwich, and then it hits you with the onion.
This combination is fine with me. I wouldn't do it on my own. I mean, it's edible. None of the sandwiches were like awful to the point that I couldn't eat it and spit it out. So yeah, it works.
I would not eat this again. Thumbs down.
I wouldn't try this at home. I wouldn't make it again. I'm sorry. Not a big fan of this one.
Just one thumb.
This was an experience.
Yeah, it was very strange.
What are your, like, what's the order of your favorite to least favorite?
Grilled cheese is definitely my first.
Cheese is number 1.
The favorite was the grilled cheese and the banana.
My number 1 is mayo and banana.
I want to say the onion one's gonna be first.
Number 2, I think onion and peanut butter.
I would say the peanut butter and onion.
I would agree.
And number 2 is onion and peanut butter. But my number 3 is that is that banana mayo one.
Not okay.
Yeah.
It's cold.
It was, yeah, it's just purely a mayo sandwich on that one.
My number 3 was cheese and banana, which was still good. I just think really missed the mark on the contrast in temperature.
This was a restaurant I would not come back.
I've had a pleasure dining with you. May I please have the check?